Morning, guys. Out in, where am I at? I'm in McKinney today. Got a big parking lot. Needs to be regraded. It's got some drainage issues. We could get it all regraded, and we're coming top coat it with some asphalt millings, most likely. Let me turn around and show you. So this is the parking lot. It's about, all in all, about 35,000 square foot. We'll ramp up to the building. Cut out this and create a swell so we get that water going away from the house. They have semi-trucks come deliver windows to this place. It's Woodruff Windows here in McKinney. Good dude. Shout him out. I'll post a link to his website down in the comments. You guys can check him out. He does some good stuff. But all this is, it's too flat here, so it's holding water. You can see off in the distance there where there's another spot that's holding water. But essentially we gotta get this sloped down here, down towards this, down that way. And then around here at the back, I made a cut line here so I can start checking elevation to see where I'm at. But this area here, same thing. It's low, it's high over there, so this area all holds water here, holding up against that wall. So we got to get all this graded back out where it needs to be. It's way too high over there, so we bring that all down. We're probably going to have quite a bit of, this is all dirt out here. This is crushed concrete in here. So we're probably going to have quite a bit of dirt we're going to have to cut out of that. So we'll stockpile it over there and deal with that at a later date. But yeah, that's the current project. So let me get you guys set up. It's going to be quite a bit of time lapse because I'm just going to be grading this stuff and getting it on a grade that'll drain. So, stick around. We'll do a little time lapse. All right, I've got some marks set up. I got to cut a little more out of this. Give me a good starting point going. So you guys stick around and watch the time lapse. Well, yet again, battery died on the camera, so, and of course I wasn't paying attention. So I'm not sure how much of that you guys caught, but let me kind of give you probably about halfway through with the grading part. So from that corner up to the building to where you can see the dirt changes color. Like this is all flex base that I've got spread out, leveled up in here. And then this back section back here is just dirt. It's like, I think everybody calls it chert. It's like got some rock mixed into it, but it's a whole bunch of dirt. So I've got that scarified. You can see all my lines in here. I pushed a lot of it back. You can see it mounted up over there. I've got another pile on the other side of the skid steer. I've got a pile of crushed concrete back here. You can see that other pile of dirt over there. I'll end up taking all this. We'll pile that up over here out of the way too, but we're gonna drop this down so everything's sloping from the back of the building down to this grass line. So it should shed all this water off and stop the mud holes from forming here in the middle of the lot. So we're gonna get all this graded off. We'll be back out here tomorrow to finish the grading, and then we're gonna, actually, I'm gonna finish that. I still have to finish up here at the front too, move that pile of rock. And then we're gonna top all of this with asphalt millings, get it all rolled in, packed in nice, and we'll be out of here. So we probably got another 2 days on this one. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.